Here's how to install PGSharp on BlueStacks and what you need to know before you start. PGSharp is not available on the Google Play Store, which means you cannot install it the normal way. You need to download the APK file manually from the official PGSharp website. Always download from the official source. Third-party sites distributing APK files are a common way for malware to spread, so getting the file directly from pgsharp.com is critical for your safety. Once the APK is downloaded, note where it's saved on your computer, since you will need to locate it in the next step. Open BlueStacks. If you have not installed it yet, do that first, since BlueStacks is the Android emulator that creates the environment PGSharp runs in. With BlueStacks open, you have two installation options. Either drag and drop the downloaded APK file directly into the BlueStacks window, or click Install APK in the right sidebar to browse and select the file manually. Both methods trigger the same installation process. You will see a progress indicator and a confirmation once it completes successfully. After installation, find the PGSharp icon on the BlueStacks home screen. Open it and sign in with your Pokemon Go account credentials carefully. Avoid reusing passwords or signing into accounts you are not authorized to use. One important warning: PGSharp and Pokemon Go may not run reliably on BlueStacks due to emulation detection. Even if it installs, the game may crash or fail to load entirely. Manage your expectations going in. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.